Hey kids, Jay here. I wanted to show you these beautiful elephant garlic scapes that I got out of my New Wacom Valley Farm CSA share. I'm cutting them up on the bias here for maximum flavor extraction. This allows to expose the cells and the resins and the oils, so whatever you do with them, the flavor is readily available to jump out of there. Whether it's put them in a saute pan or a vinaigrette, they're a beautiful flavor and really speaks to spring. There's the green garlic. I'm going to cut it up in the same way for the same reasons. Maximum flavor extraction. And it looks cool. So whatever you decide to do with these, it's nice to be able to keep its original flavor profile. So I like to use a lot of cast iron and a lot of butter. Got that pan warmed up. Putting my scapes in there and my garlic. I'm going to turn down that fire so I can have more time to allow those oils to come out, to render, and the sugars to caramelize, as opposed to burn. That's Himalayan pink salt. That's what I'll usually use. I'll also usually have some kosher sitting next to there. That is perpetual spinach, and it is gorgeous, flavor packed and nutrient dense and 100% usable. All those stems and they add a lot of texture and flavor to whatever you put them into. Now you can see I've rendered out those oils from the garlic pretty good. Get that spinach in there and get it cooking. The perpetual spinach is pretty hardy and can withstand a lot, or even needs more cooking time than the seasonal spinach. I'm going to take the chill off of that plate. And my greens are just about ready. Couple whacks of pepper. That's 3 eggs. I haven't added any more oil or butter, but the cast iron pan allows that non-stick surface. Really nice to use. Cast iron pan allows lots of control of the heat. The key here is to make sure that the eggs that are surrounding the greens directly get cooked enough. You'll see me spread it out to allow maximum connection with the pan to make sure it's cooked enough. And that looks like breakfast. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully this gave you some ideas on how to use your elephant garlic scapes, green garlic, and perpetual spinach. Take care, be well, and be well to others.